हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोट। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ दो अमेजिंग स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ। दीज आर बोथ फ्रॉम लीफ मॉन्क। नाउ लीफ मॉन्क इज अ न्यू ब्रांड विच इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन इंडिया एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक यू गाइज अवेयर अबाउट दैट ब्रांड एंड ऑफ कोर्स रिव्यू दीज टू प्रोडक्ट्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ let's get started. I have purchased these products from leafmonk.in. I will leave the link of the product right here. Also, all the product links will be present in the description box for you to check out. So I basically have two products from them. So the first product that I have is a face cleanser. Now this one contains white turmeric, gotu kola and aloe vera extracts. I will go in depth about this product. And then the second product that I have from Leaf Monk is a day cream and this is called as Iladi. So I will be talking about both of these products in this video. So let's begin. So before I jump into the product review, I do want to spend a couple of minutes to tell you what this new brand is all about. So Leaf Monk creates Ayurvedic based personal care products that are suitable for today's fast-paced modern life. Having passed the strict standards of EcoCert, they also take pride in being a cruelty-free, plastic-neutral brand. Now, EcoCert is a leading international certification body that certifies that the ingredients in the products are actually toxic free and good manufacturing practices are followed. Leaf Monk is among the very few Indian brands that can claim this. So Leaf Monk strongly believes in the funda that beauty should not be on the expense of one's health. That's why they are very conscious about the ingredients and the origin of the ingredients that they put into their products. So basically they are a good combination of being Ayurvedic, mindfulness and sustainability all together. Now let's talk about the first product, which is the face cleanser. Now this face cleanser contains white turmeric, gotu kola and aloe vera extracts. Now the packaging is absolutely stunning. This is how the bottle looks like. It comes with a pump applicator which makes it fuss free to use, and also all the product details are mentioned right over here as well as behind. You get a complete transparency of what ingredients are present here and all the other manufacturing details, pricing details and everything. This is a 100 ml face cleanser which is priced for 439 rupees. It also comes in this outer packaging that has all the relevant details about the product, be it ingredients, like all the ingredient lists are present here and all the brand related details are present right here. Their website details, how to store, all the instructions that you need to know about the product are present right on the packaging itself. Let's talk about the texture of this face cleanser. It is a very lightweight, kind of like a gel-based formula. This is best suited for acne-prone skin, dull skin and sensitive skin. Now focusing on the ingredients, it has a gotu kola which stimulates collagen production and boosts skin resistance to sagging. White turmeric helps calm skin inflammation and adds a healthy glow to the complexion. And sandalwood is enriched with antioxidants and anti-aging properties that help make the skin firmer. So usually how I like to apply this is in the morning I just damp my face. I take 2 to 3 pumps of this one. I massage it into my damp skin in very light circular motion and I rinse it off. Overall, I find this very gentle on the skin and it makes my face squeaky clean without stripping the natural oils from my face. It gives me a youthful glow and overall my skin feels quite smooth and supple. Step 2 is using a gentle face cream. Now this face cream or face moisturizer is called as Iladi and this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this box packaging as well, where again all the ingredients and all the details relevant to the product are mentioned here. And then this is how gorgeous this tiny tub is. I just find the packaging to be super cute and it comes with a nice cover here, and then this is how the cream consistency looks like. Overall the packaging is quite good. Now since I have opened the bottle, I do want to show you the consistency of this one. Now this is a very lightweight formula as you can see, and it blends in super easily, leaves no white cast, and it is very moisturizing in nature. This is suitable for all skin types. Now, right after I clean my face, I go on and take a small quantity of this face cream and I apply it on my neck as well as on my face in upward motion for the cream to work effectively on my skin. The main ingredient in this cream is Iladi. Iladi is a unique Ayurvedic blend of oils in a sesame oil base that contains 100% natural ingredients like cardamom, saffron, white turmeric and coconut milk to gently moisturize the skin suffering from acne and chronic concerns, including acne breakouts and pigmentation. So this face cream, it kind of addresses acne as well as the pigmentation on the skin. So overall, this is a lightweight formula that kind of makes the skin very moisturized, hydrated, with added benefits of depigmentation and also targeting the acne. I usually follow this with SPF 40 and I'm good to go. Just adding these 2 steps in my skincare routine has made a lot of difference. Overall, these 2 products combined together have given me a very simple, a very kind of like a sustainable 2-step skincare approach where I'm getting the benefits of Ayurveda without any harmful chemicals on my face. So overall, I just love the concept. I love how these products are curated, and overall I feel that this is a must try combination. I'm very happy overall with the combination of these 2 and I am thoroughly enjoying these. These just have a very kind of like that Indian feel to them. It does have a very slight fragrance of cardamom, which I absolutely enjoy because again it gives me a very Indian feel. If you were on a hunt of a good cleanser and face cream combination which targets your acne marks and helps in depigmentation, and also they have that goodness of Ayurveda and are sustainable, I think your search should end here because Leaf Monk is the answer to all of those concerns. Overall, I'm very happy with the purchase and I'm very happy with the results that I've been getting, and I highly recommend you to try these. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the review. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.